J'ai sur mon lit à bouffer sa langue en buvant trop mon whisky. Quant à moi, peu dormi, vie débris, mais j'ai dû dormir dans la gouttière où j'ai eu un
Shaurya, who's coming from that side. I came from that side. We're gonna do a 1-minute power test on this climb called the Rapid Spat. Shaurya's probably gonna try taking the Kom. I'm sure he can. I cannot get the Kom. But maybe I can get top 2 or 3. This range is pretty awesome. You can get yours at all times. They are free cotton really. Girls coming. Ready to get this shit?
I was born ready, dude.
Fucking send it.
Ça plane pour moi. Allez hop, la nana, quelle panard, quelle vibration de s'envoyer sur paillasson. Limé, ruiné, vidé, comblé. You are the king of the divan. Qu'elle me dit en passant. I am the king of the divan.
Ready for this shit. I hope you got the Kom.
Yeah, I got a Kom though. So the climb club level. I think I already got that Kom.
The average back is currently 46, 49, 54.
How did you do right now?
Checking. 547.
547 watts. So, so second attempt. I'll give this a try again. Now I feel like doing 240.
Ça plane pour moi.
Okay, that was a pretty good run I did, but couldn't hold it to the end because I need to breathe with my mouth wide open, and the camera would have fallen down. But woo, I have a meeting at 8:45, 1 hour from now, and I have to head over for that. But I get coffee and a hot chocolate maybe. I don't need coffee. What am I talking? I'll tell you this.
1 second improvement, lesser wattage, more draft, still second on the board. Successful day, I think. Not too bad.
2 seconds away, Firoz.
Not too shabby.
No,
Firoz has evaded another mail from Strava today. Good for him. Now we head back to normal daily stuff, like going back to our jobs.